Today I'm changing the engine air filter on our Hyundai Palisade. Just got to pop the hood there. And it's right over here. It says right here, pull out to open the air filter. Like that. There's two clips. 1, 2, and you just pull it out. And as you can see, it's doing a good job. Look at that. Obviously on this side, it's a little bit dirty, so it's still doing a good job. It's about time to replace it, but this is the old one. This is the new one. Note the orientation. And just slide this back in there. Lock it up. Lock, 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 lock. Close this up, and you're done.